Welcome to Boomhauer69's channel, and today Boomhauer is going to show a product that I've used a lot in my YouTube videos when it comes to cooking indoors and outdoors and stuff. And I want to talk about this product. It's a cooking product heating element thing that I've used a lot in my videos. And in one of my recent videos where I did a video about making a burger out in my garage and trying to make everybody laugh with some kind of funny commentary there, I used this product, and I had a person ask me, hey, what are you using to cook that cheeseburger in your garage and stuff? And so I thought I'd do a video about it since somebody was wondering. And this product is a really good product. You could even, if you had the right type of solar setup, because this thing would take a lot of wattage to use, you could also use this on a solar setup if you had some sort of solar station stuff, but you would need a lot of wattage to run it, because what it is it's a Presto Griddle. That's what it is. It's made by Presto. I'll show you the name here. Let me turn on my little flashlight here. But I don't know if the camera will pick that up too well. But it's a Presto brand griddle. Here's the power adapter. It's one of those kind of standard power adapters here, but let me get this. I don't know if you'll be able to read that or not. But and this griddle right here, this griddle right here, I've had it for going on about maybe 5-10 years now. So if you ask me in the comment section, hey, where can I get a griddle like that? This one's so old, you probably won't be able to find this one. But if you look around on eBay, you might find this exact same model on eBay. So I'd probably tell you, go check eBay. But I imagine Presto's got a newer griddle out. I haven't really checked, but probably after this video, I'll try to find a similar Presto griddle and maybe put Amazon link in the description for y'all, or a Walmart link or whatever for y'all. But yeah, this Presto griddle, I've had it for over 10 years now, 5-10 years going on, and it works wonderful. It's one of those that's got the little removable grease tray pan. Now some of these do have where you can adjust the feet so it will kind of tilt it a little bit, where I have adjustable feet that will let it tilt so the grease will run down and go in the grease pan. This one don't, but you can tell right there that it's quite old. You can tell right there by the kind of corrosion rust that it's been around a while. But the only thing in this one is one of those non-stick griddles, and so far the non-stick has been holding up. I have no complaints with the non-stick. It seems to be holding up really well and stuff on it. The only thing is there are a few little, you can tell, some kind of burnt grease on it still and stuff. But the only thing I'd probably have to do with this as of right now is the bottom, maybe get some like corrosion rust remover type product that would be safe to use on a cooking appliance, and clean the bottom of it. But so far it's been working out really good. I use this as a grill indoors and outdoors. I've used this in many videos outside when I was outside cooking a hot dog or whatever on a griddle and stuff. I've used this even in videos making microwavable sandwiches and on it and stuff, and I've used this a lot. And it's been a used and abused type kitchen appliance, and it works really well. It has the highest it will go up in Fahrenheit. This is a Fahrenheit, so it's 400 degrees Fahrenheit right there. And then the lowest is 200, and then it has a warm setting and stuff. But usually when I'm cooking with this, I put it on 400, and I really pay attention, keep an eye on it while it's warming up and stuff to make sure nothing happens. Because with any sort of heating element, electric appliance like this, anything that creates heat and stuff, you really want to make sure, make sure to keep an eye on it so it doesn't malfunction or anything. And if it does malfunction, you want to quickly unplug it from your wall outlet and stuff, Because again, this is the the adapter that comes with, and it's just like any old standard griddle. On the side here is where you plug it in. You just simply go like this, slide it in the slot right here, and then you plug it into your outlet, and then it will have a little light on it to let you know that it's on. And when you have it in the off position, that little orange light will go out, but when it's on, it'll have a little light that will let you know that it's on and it's warming up and stuff. But yeah, I've had this again going on about five or 10 years now, and this griddle, Presto Griddle, has been working really good for me. I always make sure to keep an eye on it while I'm cooking and using it, and I always inspect it before and after I clean it and stuff, and to make sure there ain't nothing wrong with it and stuff. One of the things I would always suggest doing with any kitchen appliances, look at your power cords, check for any like cuts in it or any exposed copper wiring and stuff, and if it looks like there's damage to the cord or whatever, my suggestion is either find the company, get a hold of the company, see if you can get a replacement cord for the product, or just simply throw the product out and buy a new one and stuff. Like this Presto Griddle, I had it for so many years, so old, where if the power adapter broke or shorted out or something, so it was exposing bare wires or whatever the case may be, something happened to the power cord, I would just simply have to either discard this griddle, or if I get lucky and I keep it and I go to my local thrift store and I find the exact same one with a power cord, but I would most likely have to throw it out and just get a whole brand new griddle. And I do plan on in the near future buying a brand new griddle, Presto Griddle, and putting a new one up in storage, and then keep using it until this finally comes. I've used this on camping trips where I was at campgrounds that had electricity and stuff, and so this thing's so old, I use it indoors and outdoors, and it's worked wonderful, and it's been a wonder. This has been a wonderful griddle, and I have no complaints about it. And it's, again, roughly over probably 5-10 years old now, so I'll try to put an Amazon link or a Walmart link in the description for the newer version of these Presto griddles and stuff. I forget the size of it and stuff, that I had it for so long, I forget how big it is and like the size dimensions of it is. But I would definitely try to find a Amazon or Walmart link to the newer ones that Presto sells and stuff. And I've been satisfied with it, where I would purchase other Presto type kitchen appliances and stuff. But again, I've used this indoors, outdoors, and for many things out in my garage for cooking and stuff. Because my kitchen is a 100-year-old kitchen. It doesn't have the proper vent over the stove where sucks a ventilation system to suck out the smoke and stuff from the cooking. So if I do any kind of cooking that requires that's gonna create a lot of smoke usually, and I'll usually just use this griddle out in my garage, so I don't gotta worry about the grease and stuff. Because a lot of the burgers I cook are those typical greasy burgers where you get a lot of grease, and sometimes the grease will burn up and create a lot of smoke. So I'll just do it out in my garage where it's really ventilated and stuff, or in the summertime I'll just use this and cook outdoors and stuff. Especially in the summertime where it's really hot and I don't want to heat up my kitchen, I'll use this a lot for cooking. You'll see me use this in a lot of future cooking videos, and if you go back to my playlist, you'll see where I have used this before in other videos and stuff. The recent one was the one where I made that cheeseburger out in the garage and tried to make everybody laugh with some commentary and stuff. But yeah, So as of right now, I say on this griddle, I'm a satisfied customer. I give it full 5 stars, 2 thumbs up, because it's been wonderful, great, and it's still going. I think it's gonna be one of those kitchen appliances that it's gonna outlast me probably and stuff. So yeah, but yeah. So there you have it. In case you're wondering what I used in that cooking video of making the cheeseburger and other future cooking videos, this is one of my main go-to appliances. It's just one of these Presto griddles and stuff. It works wonderful. Again, some of them have where you can slide out the sides and make it kind of tilt, so the grease will kind of run down into this hole here and go into the drip pan. This one doesn't have that feature. The legs are just the back legs are just a little bit taller than the others, so it's kind of a little bit slanted, so the grease will run down, but it doesn't have the adjustable legs like some griddles have and stuff. But there you have it. There's my thoughts on the Presto Griddle. I think it's a great product, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody. Again, if you're on solar, off-grid, using solar and stuff, you can use this, but you're going to have a pretty good wattage solar setup to use it. If you just only got 100-watt solar setup or 2 400-watt solar, like 100 watts to maybe 200-watt solar setup, you may not be able to use that. Depending on your battery storage and stuff. There's a lot of things to factor into using heating elements on a solar setup, but you can use this on a solar setup if you have the right type of wattage and everything and stuff. So yeah. So if you like this sort of content, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Comment your thoughts below. I love hearing from you people and interacting with everyone in the comment section there on my videos. And hope you all have a good day. Don't forget to share this video with everyone you know if you really like this video. And hope you all have a good day, and thank you for watching Boomhauer69's channel.